Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment on EAFC 24. First things first, you want to ensure that you are connected to a stable and fast internet connection. Also, you want to restart your router or modem to troubleshoot any network issues. But if checking your internet connection doesn't solve the problem, you want to consider refunding your current version of EAFC 24 and purchasing the Ultimate Edition instead. To do this, you want to go to the EAFC 24 store page, then you want to click on Redeem Ultimate Edition content. Then just install and play the game. Clearing the cache can also help resolve temporary files issues. To do this, just go to the settings menu in EAFC 24, then you want to select Clear Cache, then restart the game. But if none of the above solution works, you want to reach out to the EA support for further assistance, as they may provide additional guidance or workarounds to address the issue. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.